అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukar. This is a case where it was held by the Supreme Court that a divorced Muslim woman, they can or she is entitled to get back the gifts given by her father to the husband at the time of marriage. ఇది మాకు తెలియదా అనుకోవచ్చు మీరు, బట్ గుడ్ జడ్జ్మెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ద ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కేస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. చెప్పడం చాలా తేలిక, సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి వెళ్తే కానీ మీకు అర్థం కాదు. జస్టిస్ సంజయ్ కరోల్ అండ్ ఎన్ కోటీశ్వర్ సింగ్ in the case of Rosanara Begum, not Roshanara, Rosanara Begum versus SK Sabuddin and others. It is an SLP 60,854 by 2024. On 2nd December 2025, Honorable Supreme Court bench overturned the Calcutta High Court judgment. What Calcutta High Court judgment said? Calcutta High Court judgment has actually rejected the claim of this particular woman, Rosanara Begum, who claimed 17.67 lakhs. Of course, out of which 7 lakhs is the cash, others are gold and other things, given at the time of marriage as gifts to her husband by her father, whether she is entitled or not, because mahr and other things will be there. Qalab, marriage register, all records will be there. So appellant Rosanara Begum, she married to Salah Sabuddin in 2005. The marriage took place on 28 August 2005. Of course, over time, marital discord, disharmony, disputes, ultimately, she left the matrimonial home in May 2009. Of course, they were subsequently divorced on 13th December 2011. After divorce, Rosanara filed an application under Section 3 of Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce, Muslim Women Protection of Rights of Divorce Act 1986. Actually, she requested the court to return back the properties which were given to her husband by her father as a so-called gift. It is 17.67 lakhs, out of which 7 lakhs was given cash. Cash was 7 lakhs, and the others are 30 boris of gold. That means 30 tulas of gold. Other things like that. Actually, in the initial stage, in the lower court, the magistrate allowed about 8.3 lakhs. But after her persistent remand or demand, the additional chief judicial magistrate in 2017, I think, he has extended it to 7 lakhs in cash and 30 boris of gold. Of course, Sessions Court also upheld that order. But High Court denied the same. Why? When the matter was appealed to the High Court by Sahabuddin, it was not rejected. Why? Because here the Kazi means the performer or registrar of the marriage, I can say. So the Kazi was examined. Kazi stated that the amount was given, but not in the name of recipient. This is the main problem. No doubt some cash was given at the time of marriage. It was shown, but not in the name of the particular woman. The friends, the relatives and others, they gave. So the contention, now there is a dispute, contradiction has come between the statements of Kazi and also the father of appellant. Father says, he said the amount was given as a gift to the son-in-law. Right? Now, the Supreme Court interpreted Section 3, how it was a beneficial interpretation. The properties given at the time of marriage, please remember, maybe by the father, maybe by the relatives, maybe by the friends. What for? For the advantage of the woman. She can claim them back, whether amount is in the name of that particular woman or her relative or a friend. Not correct. So therefore, High Court has lost its sight under supervisory jurisdiction under Article 227 because the statement of Kazi is different from the statement of father. But Supreme Court said during the earlier proceedings, maybe in the case of 490 case, in the case so and so, case of other things, the husband, of course, he was acquitted, but the claims were there in that report also. So, no doubt, the marriage register or qalibnama showed the gifts, but they were not written as though the father gave them. తండ్రిగా చుట్టుపక్కల వాళ్ళగా ఇచ్చారనుకోండి చూపిస్తారు ముస్లిమ్స్ మ్యారేజ్లో ఒక మంచం మీద పెట్టి అన్నీ చూపిస్తారు. నేను ఒకసారి చూశాను. సో అలాగా చూపించినట్లు ఈ అమ్మాయికి తండ్రి ఇచ్చినవి ఉన్నాయి, రిలేటివ్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇచ్చినవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి. అన్నీ ఈ అమ్మాయికి వస్తాయి డెఫినెట్లీ. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్. అల్టిమేట్లీ ఇట్ వాజ్ హెల్డ్ దట్ ఎస్ షీ కెన్ క్లెయిమ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ బ్యాక్ టు హర్, గివ్ బ్యాక్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ. వెరీ గుడ్ జడ్జ్మెంట్. సహజంగా ఇది మాకు తెలీదా, సహజంగా మారు ఇవన్నీ డిస్కస్ చేస్తే ఇంత టైం డైవోర్స్ అప్పుడు నీకు ఇంత ఇస్తామంటారు, అంతే ఫైనల్ అని మనం అనుకుంటాం. కానీ దిస్ జడ్జ్మెంట్ షోస్ ఎస్ అప్పుడప్పుడు మంచి మంచి జడ్జ్మెంట్స్ వస్తుంటాయి. ఇట్స్ రిలేటింగ్ టు ముస్లిం మూమెంట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్. రీడ్ ద కేస్ లా అండ్ ఐ విష్ యూ వెల్. ఐఎమ్ స్టాపింగ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.